Everyone, welcome to another video, and today, of course, you can see by the title, is a unboxing and first impressions. Now, I don't do these very often, but excuse me, one from a house I do enjoy, and she's Ted Lapidus. This is Eau de Toilette, and this is a new release called Poker Face. Okay, so don't know really much about it. I've seen something's been released, so I was like, you know what, let's give it a go. So on the front, slight texture, you can't quite see it. You might see it better if I plastic it. So I bought 3 fragrances this week. They've actually arrived this week. This being one of them, and 2 Manceros. And so you can see a little bit of texture there. Eau de Toilette, nothing on the back at all. Everything is on the bottom. Nothing on the sides. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's not mess it up. So again, I've seen this. I like the look of the bottle. In fact, the bottle is quite a heavy bottle. I like the look of the bottle. I like the Ted Lapidus house. So you know what? Give it a go. Blind buy, if you will. Now you can get this on Amazon at the moment in the UK, but it is ordered from France, I do believe, and this took about a week. So, Poker Face. As you can see, nice bottle. You can probably see it a bit better there, Poker Face. It is built in, like a corrugated iron sort of pattern. See through there. Decent cap, about the same weight as say a Mancera is. You know, so it's decent. And you got obviously a black sprayer. The juice is, there's a little bit of colour in the juice, but it's almost clear. So, first impressions. I can't remember what the description of this was. So, blind buy. Now, of course, this is its first spray. You might need time in the bottle. A lot of fragrances these days need a bit of time in the bottle, especially the Manceras, because they're predominantly sort of synthetic. So. Get down a few mils, leave it, shake it every few days, get the air into it, and they tend to open up over time. But so I don't know whether these are going to need that or not. So first impressions. Ooh, like there's definitely some sort of a slightly sweet citrus. A bit sort of a Paco Rabanne Victus-ish, but not as sort of sweet in your face. Definitely got that sort of maybe a Zorro Wanted, the original, but not as sort of syrupy sweet as that. Maybe a lighter, more refreshing version. Yeah, it comes across a little youthful, not like overly so, but you know, modern. Sweet, fresh. Yeah, that's quite nice. Again, it's similar to it's got a similar thing to sort of say a Zara Wanted. Again, but not as thick, not as cloying, not as sweet, but it's in that sort of ballpark. You know what I mean? Yeah, quite like that. Again, yeah, from the smell, modern. It's got that sort of, it's been done before, but it's got that nice, slightly sweet, modern, fresh thing going on. Okay, maybe a little bit of a sort of a very light lavenderish kind of feel in the backbone. Maybe a touch of woods, but yeah. So first impressions, of course, there's got to give time in the bottle, got to give some wearings. Yeah, it smells like it's been done before. You know, you smell a few of these sort of ones. A fair bit. You know, everybody seems to copy Invictus or that sort of vibe. But very nice all the same. Doesn't come off as thick and cloying as some of those. As really in your face. This one seems to be like a lighter, fresher version. I would say definitely like a cooler summer day. But because it does have that touch of sweetness. But very nice. Yeah, quite pleased with that. Be wearing this. I don't know if I'll be wearing it this week because I've got some Manceros, as I say, as well. Depends what I feel like wearing. I'll probably wear all my new releases, all my new boys this week for a couple of days each, knowing me. But yeah, Poker Face by Ted Lapidus. First impressions, again, been done before, a little lighter, but overall the quality smells pretty good. You know, for a line that is generally a cheaper line, a cheaper house with cheaper fragrances, quality seems to be decent. Don't know how long it's going to last or anything. It's not a full review. I will fully review this eventually. Maybe a couple of weeks, couple of months, could be any time really. I've got fragrances I've had for years and I've never got around to them yet. But since it's a newish release, I might sort of wear this a little more over a couple of weeks and then give it a full review. Yeah, a little bit of a slight green herbal backbone to it, just slight. Yeah, very nice. So that is Poker Face. First impressions, pretty decent. Anybody out there who's watching, you may have tried this. Do you like it, not like it? What do you think? Most people haven't got this as yet, but you can say get it from Amazon in the UK. You just got to wait a week or two for it to arrive. It might come in about a week, maybe 10 days, but it's here and I'll be enjoying it. So that's it. Any comments, leave a comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. It would really help me out, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.